So my plan is to look through this top box, and if it looks kind of nice and neat, I'm gonna try to get the queen into there, assuming I didn't kill the queen last week. And then I'm gonna put the bottom box on top and see how much I can clean up. Assuming this all goes to plan, after I get the queen in the skinny box, I'm gonna put a queen excluder on the top of the skinny box, put the big box on top, and then wait to clean it up. Queen. And then the bees are finding me, finding the queen. Okay, this I'm just gonna put back and switch.
You're gonna take the top box off, set it down after you put those frames away. And then move that box off to the side.
You know, really, I didn't need to capture her because she's already here.
No, it's good to have her captured.
Okay, this one's coming off, the little one's going on. Do I need to try to break it off of this? And put it down. There's the queen excluder.
You have to let her out.
Oh, I'm just gonna be ready to go.
Is she already out?
I guess so.
Let's hope she's in there.
And did she just go through without?
Okay, put this on top.
Dang it. Did they just escape through?
They generally don't.
Okay, this must be user error. There is nothing in here now, which means I gotta go looking again, which means now I'm gonna look through this, which stinks because it was so easy the first time. There's no way it'll be this easy again. All right, she is not on the frame. Oh, but good news, she is on the bottom of the box. Thank goodness. Got lucky. Today is my lucky day. So please stay in there so I can put this queen excluder on. Oh, that is much better. All right, well, after the queen situation, I'm a little bit tempted to quit while I'm ahead, but I think I'm gonna look through this and just at least know what I got. I originally thought I might try to clean it up, but I think I might just see what I've got. I don't know why I'm compelled to try to open this without a tool. I feel like it would be easier, but it's not. Oh, I think there is honey. And is there eggs in here? Oh, I have my glasses on.
There's brood, capped brood right there in the front.
And probably some eggs, so I think I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Maybe once the eggs hatch, I'll rethink. Let's just see what we got here. There's not much going on here. Should I just scrape off this?
Is there any honey in there at all?
Maybe a little.
Oh, there's one.
Okay, I'm kind of debating to scrape this up, but there is a little honey, so I will wait. Must be morally opposed to the hive tool. This looks pretty decent. I think that is brood and looks pretty decent anyway. Okay, no no gross comb there. And here's the resource. Okay. Got some honey. Actually got a decent amount of honey. All right, good enough. Actually, I do think this is pretty okay as it is. We got brood, we got honey, I think we got eggs, although I'm not 100% sure about eggs. And mainly we got the queen down in the bottom where the comb should be better. So I am calling it a win. Okay, mission accomplished. Overall, it seems like we are in pretty good shape. We have honey, we have brood, we have a queen. So I will take it and save all this messy comb for future cleanup. Thanks for watching. Bye.